service pros. Stop competing price. Start dominating value. This is the Pool Profit Pros podcast, your personal roadmap to $1 million money model for your pool business. The Pool Profit Pros podcast is a production of Pro Tough Products, a premium pool pro solutions provider since 2014. Let's face it, every pool service company has problems. Let's generate effective solutions together.
Welcome back, everyone. This is episode 15, and we are pushing further into section 4, advanced money models and upsells. Last time, we really dug into structuring offers and the art of the upsell.
Yeah, we did. We talked about decoys, getting clients to choose the best package. Before that, we covered the mindset shift, premium offers, attracting those high-value clients, and scaling up with systems.
Exactly. So you've got the right clients, you're charging premium prices, you've maybe even got your decoy and upsell game working. Now what?
Now, we leverage the gold mine you're sitting on, your happy customers. We need to maximize profit from every angle.
Okay, and today's angle sounds intriguing. We're talking about turning customer goodwill, that feeling they got a great deal, into leads, like a referral engine.
Precisely. We're calling it the gift card play. The goal here isn't just getting referrals, it's getting paid to get referrals, making the system basically fund itself.
Getting paid for referrals. Okay, I like the sound of that. So let's start with why referrals are just, well, better than other leads.
Oh, vastly better. Your existing customers are your absolute best lead generators. Why? Because a referral comes in warm.
Meaning they already trust you, more or less.
Exactly. Their friend, someone they trust, vouched for you. So like 90% of the usual sales resistance, that skepticism, it's gone.
Which means less time, less effort.
And less money to convert them into a paying customer. We talk about CAC costs to acquire a customer, referrals / that number.
Right. And we've talked about aiming for that 4-to-1 ratio, right?
Yeah.
Lifetime gross profit to CAC. Spend $1, make 4 back over the customer's life.
Yep, 4-to-1 is solid. But think about this. What if you could get every happy client to bring you, say, just 2 more ideal clients using a system like this gift card play?
Okay. 2 referrals per client.
That 4-to-1 doesn't just become 8-to-1, it's more like 12-to-1 because you got 3 customers essentially for the acquisition cost of 1. That's where you see that, exponential growth.
Wow. Not the kind of growth you get just pouring more money into ads, which eventually hits a ceiling.
Exactly. Ads get diminishing returns. This leverages relationships.
So if it's that powerful, why aren't most pool pros swimming in referrals already? You hear word of mouth is great, but it feels random.
It is random for most. 2 main reasons, usually. 1, maybe the service isn't actually that good, which, hopefully, if you followed along, isn't your problem anymore.
Right. Crystal clear commitment and all that.
But the second, much more common reason, businesses just don't ask. Or rather, they don't ask in a structured way. They hope goodwill magically turns into new business.
Hope isn't a strategy, right?
Never. You've built up this goodwill, that gap between the value you deliver and the price they pay. That's the fuel. But you need an engine.
An engine to capture and direct that fuel. Got it.
We need to treat referral generation like an offer. Show the customer what's in it for them and their friend. Make it easy. Make it attractive.
Okay, so let's build this engine. You called it the 2-pronged gift card play. Sounds like there are a couple moving parts here.
There are. And it revolves around using physical gift cards, which have a nice tangible feel, and this idea of a 2-sided benefit. Both the person referring and the person being referred get something good.
Physical cards, okay. Prong 1.
Prong 1 is crucial. It's about monetizing that goodwill you've already built. You actually sell discounted gift cards to your current clients.
Whoa, hang on. Sell them. If we want referrals, why make them pay for the card? Wouldn't that, slow things down?
That's the critical insight. You have to sell them first to establish their value. It sets a price anchor. Think about it maybe around Christmas, Father's Day, whatever. You offer these nice branded gift cards. Let's say they cost $50.
Okay, so I pay $50 for this card to give to my neighbor.
Right. You, the existing client. Buy it for $50. Now, what does that $50 card get your neighbor, the referred friend? It has to be a great deal for them.
Makes sense. It has to feel like a real gift.
Exactly. So that $50 card could be redeemed for, say, $75 towards a specific high-value one-off service, like a really thorough filter cleaning, maybe prepping for winterization, something substantial.
Okay, gets you on the property, shows off your quality. Option 1.
Option 2, and this is often the better one for you long term, they redeem that $50 card for $100 in credit towards a new monthly service contract.
Ah, steering them towards recurring revenue.
Clever. But you see the value proposition. The friend gets $75 or $100 in value for a card that costs $50. And you, the pool pro, get $50 in cash immediately before you've even serviced the new lead.
So you're literally getting paid upfront to generate a potential lead. That flips the usual marketing cost on its head.
Completely. Plus, there's this funny thing called the forgotten discount. Sometimes the new client signs up for the monthly service, they're happy, and they just forget to use the card. Or they lose it.
Seriously?
It happens all the time. So you got the full price monthly contract and the original $50 from the card sale. Pure profit.
Okay. Prong 1. Sell the cards, establish the $50 value, generate immediate cash, create a great deal for the friend. Got it.
Want help putting these strategies into practice? We've got some great free resources to help you get moving in the right direction and speed your path to success. Check out the show notes for a link to all of our support resources.
What's prong 2? This is where the real referral magic happens.
This is where we supercharge it. Now that everyone understands these cards cost $50, you strategically give a couple away for free to your best clients.
Ah, okay. So sometimes sell, sometimes give.
Exactly. You approach a great client, maybe after a positive interaction, and say, hey, thanks so much for being a loyal customer. Here are a couple of our $50 gift cards for you to share.
Nice gesture.
Right.
They already know it's worth $50.
Right. But here's the kicker for prong 2. You add an incentive for the referrer. You say, give these to your friends or neighbors if one of them uses it and signs up for our monthly service.
You get something too.
Bingo. You get a $100 credit on your next service bill.
Oh, wow. Okay, now that's leverage.
Huge leverage.
Huh.
Because the client knows the card itself costs $50. Now they're getting 2 for free, plus the potential for a $100 credit back to them. The perceived value just skyrocketed.
So you anchored the $50 value in prong 1, which makes the free gift in prong 2 feel even more valuable, and you added a direct cash incentive for them to actually follow through.
Precisely. You're not just giving them a tool, the card, you're giving them a reason, the $100 credit, and the confidence that their friend is getting a genuinely good deal that has a known monetary worth.
It lowers the social risk for them too. They're not just saying, hey, try my cool guy. They're literally handing over a valuable discount.
Yeah.
It makes them look good to their friend.
Exactly. It strengthens their relationship. It turns that fuzzy word of mouth into a tangible, structured win-win-win transaction. Client wins, friend wins, you win.
Okay, this makes a ton of sense. Going from 4.1 to potentially 12.1 LTGP to CAC, that's transformative for a business. What's the biggest pitfall when trying this? Where do pros mess it up?
Execution details mostly. Using Fridazy paper coupons instead of a quality physical card that feels valuable. That's one mistake.
Presentation matters for a premium brand.
Absolutely. Another is not being clear about the redemption terms, especially for the monthly service credit, and maybe not tracking who referred whom effectively.
And how do we ensure this brings in the right kind of clients? We want more premium clients, not just discount seekers.
That's the beauty of it. Who are you giving these cards to?
Your existing premium clients.
Right. And who do premium clients tend to hang out with?
Other people who likely value quality service and can afford it.
Exactly. The system has a built-in filter for lead quality. You're fishing in the right pond because your best clients are doing the fishing for you.
Okay, let's talk logistics on that $100 monthly credit. How do you structure that payout?
Smartly. You don't give the $100 credit the moment they sign up. You specify that the credit applies after the friend completes their second paid month of service.
Ah, okay. That ensures they're a committed client, protects your cash flow a bit.
Right. It minimizes risk and makes sure you're rewarding referrals that stick.
And managing all the details, the list of eligible $75 services, the terms. How do you keep the card itself clean and high-end?
Technology is your friend here. Keep the card design simple, professional, branded. On the back, a QR code. That QR code links directly to a specific page on your website, a landing page just for this program. That page clearly spells out option A, $75 off these services, and option B, $100 credit after month 2. All the details live there, keeping the physical card uncluttered and premium.
Simple, trackable, professional. I like it. It really does turn word of mouth from this kind of passive hope into an active, predictable, even self-funding system.
That's the goal. Upfront cash from selling cards, low-cost acquisition of high-quality leads when giving them away, and a massive boost to that LTGP.CS key ratio. It's a powerful piece of the $1 million model.
Okay, we've covered a lot ground here: decoys, upsells, and now this self-funding referral engine. We're really maximizing the value of each customer during the main pool season.
Yeah, we've built a pretty robust model for the busy months.
So here's something to think about as you mull over this gift card strategy. You've got the tools, the poles, the pressure washers, the vacuums. You've built incredible trust with your premium clients. What else could you do for them, leveraging that trust and those tools when the pool season winds down?
That's the $1 million question, isn't it? How do you break free from that seasonal cycle?
Exactly. And that's where we're heading next time. In episode 16, we're tackling how to move your business from being seasonally dependent to having year-round profitability. We'll explore those off-season services your clients probably already need and trust you to provide.
It's the logical next step. Definitely tune in for that one.
Absolutely. Until then, start thinking about how you can implement this gift card play and keep building that premium, profitable business. We'll catch you on the next dive.